I begin every task. I take pride in him and place my trust in him. Honorable President of the gathering, respected teachers, and my dear fellow students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I have been given the opportunity to speak on a very important scientific and research-based topic. The title of my speech is Climate Change. Respected audience, there was a time when our environment was pure, clean and natural. Diseases were fewer and people recovered with simple treatments. People used to walk, breathe fresh air and live simple lives. Have we ever wondered where that peaceful and healthy environment has gone? What happened that our air, water and land all became polluted? When humans began to interfere with nature in the name of progress, everything changed. Distances became shorter, but the environment became polluted. Machines replaced human efforts, and in the greed for higher production, artificial fertilizers and chemicals started being used. As a result, pure and natural things became rare. Honorable audience, huge factories, tall buildings, fast vehicles, trains and airplanes are the symbol of progress, but they are also the main cause of climate change. Is this really progress? That we leave behind a toxic environment for our future generations? No, certainly no. Today, we are facing many problems. Sometimes dengue, sometimes smog, sometimes heat stroke, and sometimes global pandemics. Glaciers are melting, floods are causing destruction, and water scarcity is increasing. If these conditions continue, will our future generations be able to get clean water and fresh air? On one side, there is global warming, and on the other, the imbalance of the greenhouse effect. All these are consequences of climate change. Yet sadly, we are still careless. Let me say, it is better to die than to live in such fear and silence. I also raise a question to developed countries who, in the name of development, are damaging the environment, while countries like ours suffer the consequences. Respected audience, now is the time to wake up. We must stop every action that harms the environment. Plant trees, reduce waste, control industrial smoke, adopt the habit of walking more, and protect our natural environment. Remember, show kindness to the people of the earth, and God will show kindness to you from the heavens. Finally, I thank you all for listening to me so attentively. Wassalam.
Good.